Hey, welcome back to DeltaPi. Today we're diving into how to create a retrieval augmented generation RAG chatbot that can analyze your PDF or text documents. With Langchain, Openai's API for RAG embeddings, Streamlit for our interface, and ChromaDB for embedding storage, you'll build your own AI chatbot in just 2 minutes with one piece of Python code. First, we need to import into our code Streamlit for the app interface, PyPDF for PDF files, and some special Langchain modules for the AI embeddings parts. We'll use an API key from Openai to make everything work together. We start by creating a function called readPDF to get text out of PDF files. Then, we create another function called generateResponse, which takes any file you upload, breaks it down into chunks, and uses Openai's to understand and store the information. We grab Openai embeddings and create a vector store, linking our document chunks with embeddings in ChromaDB. We set up the retriever and the chain in order to find the answers to your questions based on embeddings. Moving on to the app interface, we set message and title, insert the file upload option in the sidebar, and manage user prompts. The chatbot will use the generateResponse function to answer you finally. We pass the messages in the chat history on the app. Now we need to install all the libraries. Remember to do it in a virtual environment. Then we can run our RAG chatbot. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to create your own RAG chatbot, powered by Openai's embeddings tech, in order to read and learn from your PDF or text documents. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up with more tech tips and tutorials.